Hello, everyone. Thank you for your interest in WAY program, Winter Abroad at Yonsei program. I have been teaching introductory psychology at WAY program for the past few years, and I have been so lucky to have wonderful group of students from all over the world. So today I want to give you a brief introduction overview of this course so that you can decide to join this awesome group of students this December or maybe sometime later. Introductory psychology, in this course, we are going to be introduced to major findings in psychology, including cognitive, social, developmental, clinical, community psychology. And to get to understand these major findings as a result, you will get to know some research methods as well, because that's going to give you the right type of a lens to interpret these major findings as well, so that you can have your own grain of salt. Not only that, you are going to apply your learnings in your real life. That's the whole point about psychology, learning psychology, so that you can better understand yourself, not only yourself, but also your friends and family, who are very loving in many cases, but at the same time, who can be very annoying, particularly when you don't understand where their words or behaviors are from. So I want to provide you with this type of knowledge, this type of understanding and tool in this course. It's 3 weeks, so we do have this required components so that you can learn properly and in a timely manner. Participation matters. It's not just physical attendance, but it's class activity participation, discussion that you will be asked to do at any point of time. And exams. We have 3 week period. So in each week, we are going to measure your understanding promptly with multiple choice and short answer type questions. And then we have assignments. Assignments, not necessarily your homework, take home type of an assignment, but it is given on site. You will be working with the team, working in a team, randomly assigned, and the topic and requirements will be announced on site on the same day as your 3 exams, so 3 assignments. Each member of the group will get the same score. More than anything, for this assignment part, you are going to apply your own cultural backgrounds, cultural knowledge, your own life narratives to this psychology materials. So what you contribute to your group is totally your thing. So that's the most fun part that my past students are testifying about. Uh, Again, in a nutshell, it's going to be a great tool. Psychology is a wonderful tool to understand people. Maybe you haven't taken this wonderful introductory psychology course yet at your home university because during the regular semesters you had too many things going on. Totally understandably. So why not during the winter course? Because if you decide to come to Korea, then your daily experience can be interpreted in a more meaningful way with this psychological lens, which will be awesome. And everyone says this, it's a best cause to visit Korea. You want to come to Korea and you don't want to idle away your precious time during your winter in Korea. So why not take this wonderful course? And this is not just credit taking, grade getting type of class at all. It's a fun class to have having a lot of applications, real life applications in your daily experience. So I invite you all to join us, the wonderful group of students from seriously everywhere. I enjoy working with you at WAY program so much. So I do hope to see you all in this December. No matter what, I do hope you stay healthy and happy in this challenging time. And when we have a chance later in the future, I will see you then. Thank you for listening and have a good one. Bye.